Good morning. It's Tuesday. We're back on this driveway. Gonna pour this little L section today. Had 2 pump jobs to take care of yesterday. Got another pump job tomorrow, then Thursday and Friday. We'll be back here to finish all this up. We're gonna pour this and tie some rebar. Get some of these tools down, get gray pins in, we'll be ready. Get all this stuff put together, but really only need 1 row of gray pins in that thing, maybe 2 on that side. We're ready. We got 20 yards on the way. Should be pulling up soon. When we get done with that, we're gonna go ahead and tie a section off right here, head it off, and pour it Thursday. And we'll probably finish up here Friday. We got our gray pins in, got our line popped on our curb. Just waiting on our mud to pull up now. Not much to it. Allergies are killing me this week, so I ain't gonna be doing too much video or talking. It's driving me nuts. My eyes itching, throat itching. Alright, our concrete's finally here. Get him all set up and we'll start pouring out. All that bull floated, got an edge on it. Just waiting on that next truck now. 10 yards should get us out there and get us finished. Okay, that 20 yards got us. About to put a bull float on that, get it all smoothed down. Go ahead and edge this, bull float it 1 more time, let it sit, probably throw Fresno on it. Probably hit it 1 or 2 times and broom it. Get the skid steer out here. We gotta do a little bit of dirt work in there where the concrete truck's sitting right now. Once we get that skid steer out there and get that dirt work done, we're gonna start tying some rebar. We got about 70 to 80 sticks to tie today. And that should get us all the way out there. We'll be done with rebar and forming and everything. We'll just start pouring some mud, get this job finished. I got this mud laid down, bull floated and already Fresnoed it. Working that curve now. Got our string lines up for our form. I'm about to form the rest of this. I'm gonna break out of there, come straight down. and break back into that curb. That way we ain't got a little point right here that's vulnerable to break off. You know, if you came straight off of it, you'd have a little sliver right here. So we're just gonna break it right there. Start throwing up our forms. We're gonna go ahead and tie out this rebar before we form it. Rebar gun's out of wire, so I'm using the old climb belt. Well, after refreshing it this time, probably let it sit for about 45 minutes, hit everything by hand, and broom this puppy. Once we get done doing the dirt work on that last section down there, probably be time to saw cut it with the early entry saw. Got that section already headed off, formed, rebar's tied it in it, so all we gotta do now is just do that little bit of dirt work down there, finish this, broom it, and cut joints. Going along pretty good. Got that second pass on it. We're just finishing up there. He's edging that curve, making it look real nice and fancy. Probably give it about an hour. Start brooming. Probably hit it one more time in between then and now. This will be able to be broomed pretty soon up here. And by the time we get everything cleaned up and get all that rebar tied down there and that second pour, the dirt work done, we'll be ready to soft cut, I think. Looking good though. All right, we just finished putting that last pass on it. He's starting to broom. See what this broom looks like. No good? No. Nice light broom. About to finish putting the rebar in that last pass through there, and then we'll basically be done for the day. By the time we get done doing that rebar, like I said, that slab after he brooms will be hard enough to put that early entry saw on. We might go take lunch and then go cut it, but besides that, that's it. All right, we're gonna cut this asphalt back, get it squared to something to pour back to. That cut, see if it'll break off before I cut it. Oh yeah, perfect. he's gonna get that out of there. We're gonna go ahead and we gotta finish that form out to that joint right there where we just cut it. And all we gotta do is tie rebar and we're out of here. Soft cut. Nice. Done brooming? Yeah?
Yeah.
Got this broom job while they're doing that, getting that asphalt out of here. Oh yeah, that looks good. Got this curb edge too. Looks good. Good. Yeah, it looks real good. Got a little cleanup to do on the previous concrete we poured. We're going to leave that middle form out, that way we can pull a truck in here. But the two corners are staked in there, so that's all finished for Thursday's pour. I think we got 2 pump jobs tomorrow. I don't like it.
You're not having to run crazy.
I don't like it.
Hey, I do.
I don't.
Here working. You gotta run all over the dang place.
I like being somewhere new every day.
Oh, yeah, I'm talking about during the day.
Oh, yeah.
Like from one day to spend the whole day somewhere.
Yeah.
It's gonna be something different tomorrow, 2 places.
I don't like jobs like these where you're here for like 2 or 3 days. All right. All right, dirt work is finished. We're gonna start tying this rebar in. Try to get done for the day. All right, everything's finished and curing out for the day. Got all that rebar tied in both sections, so we're ready for Thursday and Friday. Nothing else to do in between now and then. Just finishing up the last few ties right there. Tomorrow we got some pretty good pump jobs. I think 40 yards and some footers, and then about 20 yards in a basement in Little Rock. So that'll be some pretty good footage. And Thursday and Friday we're back here. So guess we'll see y'all tomorrow on those pump jobs.